A legendary Chinese doctor insistently advises men over the age of 60 to add a specific mixture of Coca-Cola and fresh ginger to their nightly routine immediately. The true answer behind this strange ritual is going to absolutely shock you. We will begin this process with our primary star ingredient, raw ginger root. This ancient sacred remedy has been utilized for thousands of years in traditional medicine, and today we are finally unlocking its full concentrated potential. There is absolutely no need to peel the ginger. Simply grab a grater and process the entire root, including the skin. Comment below with your city. Let's see where everyone's watching from. Once you have grated the ginger into a fine pulp, transfer it carefully into a mixing container. Now we introduce the next critical building block, one fresh egg. Break it open and whisk it vigorously with a fork until it is completely smooth. Eggs are an unparalleled biological source of high-quality proteins and specific amino acids that are essential for long-term energy and physical endurance. They provide the raw materials needed to maintain stamina and support overall systemic well-being. Comment yes if you're going to try this at home. Now it is time to add the Coca-Cola. While there is no rigid measurement required, approximately 1 cup is the ideal amount for this infusion. Stir the mixture well to ensure the carbonation and the ingredients blend into one unified solution. This specific ingredient might seem incredibly surprising in a health context, but it acts as a unique delivery system, enhancing the absorption and effects of the other elements in ways you wouldn't believe until you feel it yourself. To ensure the texture is perfectly smooth and palatable for the entire mixture into a high-speed blender, blend it thoroughly until the ginger fiber is fully incorporated into a liquid that is easy to consume. Rate this tip from 0 to 10. I'd love to know what you think. Now here is the secret protocol for how to use it. You must drink this potent mixture approximately 30 minutes before you go to bedtime. The results? Let's just say you are going to wake up feeling completely recharged, like a battery that has been plugged into a high-voltage outlet. If you prefer a touch of natural sweetness, feel free to add a drizzle of pure raw honey to create a more pleasant and traditional taste. Many who have followed this exact Chinese doctor's advice call it a life-changing miracle that helped them feel more energized, confident, and ready to dominate their day. I remember a close friend named Mark, a 62-year-old retired teacher who was struggling with a total lack of drive. He tried everything, expensive pills, naps, extreme diets, but nothing worked until he tried this. By the third night, he woke up feeling a surge of power he hadn't felt in decades. His wife even joked she couldn't keep up with him. Thank you for watching.